Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix MSVCR120D.dll Missing Error on Windows 10 or Windows 11. This problem usually happens because your PC is missing the Microsoft Visual C Redistributable file. So let's fix it step by step. First, open Google Chrome. Now in the search box type Microsoft Visual C++, press enter. You will see a page called Latest Supported Visual C++ Redistributable Downloads. Click on Visual C++ Redistributable v14. Now you will see download links. Here you must download both. Click both links one by one and download them. After downloading, open your downloads folder. Now run vcx64.exe first. Accept the license agreement. Click install. After finishing, run the second one. Now open vcx86.exe. Accept the license agreement. Click install. Wait until installation completes. After installing both versions, restart your computer. Once restart is done, your MSVCR120D.dll missing error will be fixed. So that's it guys. This is how you can easily fix MSVCR120D.dll missing error on Windows. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.